Hello, dear participants of our course. Welcome to another tutorial. This time we're going to talk about Classkick. Classkick is a free digital formative assessment tool that allows teachers to create lessons and assignments that students can take or walk through them at their own pace. It's really interactive and you can use many different resources when using Classkick. So let's get started and I'll show you how to register, how to create lessons, etc. on your own. First, you'll click on sign up. Okay, once you're here, you can click on teacher, sign up with Google. Choose a prefix and put your organization name. Okay, so when you're here, you can create rosters. Roster is basically a list of your students. Click on plus sign, new roster. We will name this roster. And we'll add students. For example, okay. So when you go back to assignments, you can create your assignments. New blank assignment. Put the name on the assignment. And a brief description of the assignment. You can choose the subject. And a grade if you are using it for your students. Access can be private or shared. Let's just keep it private for now. Alright, so here everything works as a slide. When you click on the first slide, for example, you can create, basically it's just like a blank piece of paper that you can use to create your material. You can choose a background, draw something, write. For example, we'll say you can move it around as you want. You can use an eraser to get rid of the stuff that you don't need. You can add a link, and we will actually add our link in here. We'll save it, and it will keep it here. And when you click on it, it will open up the window with a video of the lesson. Okay, you can also add other media like pictures from your computer. You can add audio recording, allow. Hi dear students, please watch the video and follow the steps in the next slide. Okay, so once we have recorded the audio, you can put it anywhere you want, and if you play it. So this is very easy to use and quick. If you don't want it, you can delete it. Okay. Now you can also, after you're done with this page, let's say you want them to do the other tasks on the other page. You go to the second slide, and you can also choose a background. I want to use a multiple choice option, for example. And when you're ready, you can add the multiple choice answer, give points for that. Let's say this question is worth 5 points. And it will appear right here. So when your students click on the answers, you'll be able to see who chose A, B, or C, A, B, C, D, or E. Okay. When you're ready, you can choose a different question. for example. And if you add pictures, you can add images that can be moved around. Let's say I choose several pictures. Oops, one. Okay, so I've just added two pictures. You can resize them. And you can give the option of choosing one of these to your students. And you can give, let's say, 5 points for this. Okay, so after you're done, you just go back. You see the assignments that you have created, and then you assign it to your roster. So let's say we assign it to STEM ambassadors. Okay. Passcode. So when your students enter the class, they will see this code and they will use it. Okay, so let's try to use this link. Okay, say my name is, let's just say my name is Aigirim. And when I start working, I will see this. My second slide will be, let's just say I choose it's Monday. This is my favorite actor, for example. Okay? If I go back to my class, I can see that somebody already has answered my test. So here, I get him answered the quiz. And here she said, oh, it's a wrong answer, so I'm not giving her any points. But this, she chose her favorite actor, so she did the homework, the assignment that I gave her, so I'm gonna give her 5 points for that. Okay, I click enter and it has saved it. Yes. 5 points for the second assignment and 5 points for the third assignment. Okay, so this is how you can access your students' work and assess their assignments. So this was a quick guide on how to use Classkick, but I'm sure that after you start practicing and using Classkick in your teaching, you will get used to it faster, use these tools more efficiently. If you go to your latest features, you can also look through the features that are available there for formative assessment. But for now, this is it. I hope you have a good day and use this information in the future. Bye bye.